Hi guys, today you can follow a complete acrylic nail treatment step by step, and we're starting by removing the old product using an electric nail file. I file at 3500 RPM and use a coarse bit from AliExpress. Each bit is color coded. Typically I remove the old product using a red or a green bit. You don't to remove all the old products. Once the old gel polish color is removed, that's enough. If there is air between the acrylic and the natural nails, then the acrylic nail needs to be further removed. In a standard refill treatment, I am to remove about 40% of the previous set, focusing on the old gel polish color and the curvature that I fell down. I flatten the curved part to create a beautiful slim and thin and natural looking nail. Leaving the curvature will eventually result in overlay and thick nails. So now we remove the old product, we are going to the next step, and that is preparing the natural nail. Thanks for watching my first YouTube video. Follow my account for more information and for more interesting videos. I am busy right now to make an online YouTube nail course, so you can follow if you want to start your own nail business or if you want to learn how to make your own nails. Just follow for more.